Hello everyone, so this is how restaurants stir-fry water spinach. No wonder the stir-fried water spinach they make doesn't turn yellow or black. Today, I'm going to share with you the correct way restaurants stir-fry water spinach. Prepare a bunch of fresh water spinach, cut off the tough stems and discard them, then cut the rest into sections. After cutting, put the pieces into a bowl. Prepare some red chili peppers, slice them into thin strips for color, and put them on a plate after cutting. Slice half a green pepper into strips as well. Next, slice some ginger into thin strips. Make sure to cut the ginger strips as fine as possible. The purpose of the ginger is to remove the raw, grassy taste from the water spinach. Then, take a few cloves of garlic, crush them, and chop them up. Next, let's make a sauce. Add 2 pieces of fermented bean curd to a bowl, then add some of the bean curd juice. This is the soul of stir-fried water spinach. Use a spoon to mash it up, then add a little Shaoxing wine, which helps to remove the raw taste. Then add a small spoonful of sugar to enhance the flavor, mix well, and set aside for later. Now, prepare an empty bowl, add a spoonful of salt, then add a spoonful of boiling water and stir until dissolved. This step is very important. Whether your stir-fried water spinach turns out bright green depends on this trick. Add a generous half spoonful of cooking oil to the pan and heat it up. For every spoonful of water, use a generous half spoonful of oil. There's a secret to stir-frying water spinach. The pan needs to be hot enough, the oil needs to be plentiful, and the water needs to be boiling. The next step is also very important. If you're not careful, it could catch fire. Once the oil in the pan is hot, turn off the heat, and then you need to move quickly. Add the water with your left hand and put the vegetables in with your right hand. Then turn the heat back up to high and stir-fry. This method lets the hot oil and boiling water collide instantly. Under these high-temperature physical conditions, they react to create an oil-water mixture in a flash. And these tiny oil-water mixture particles will stick to the surface of the greens, instantly locking in the chlorophyll. Stir-fry for about 10 seconds, and that's enough. Alright, pour it out and drain off the excess water. In another pan, add a little oil and heat it up. Then add the shredded green and red peppers and minced garlic, and stir-fry until fragrant. Add the prepared fermented bean curd sauce and stir-fry until fragrant, then add the water spinach. Next, turn the heat up to the highest setting and stir-fry for about 10 seconds to quickly heat up the wok. The tiny oil-water mixture particles on the greens will undergo a chemical reaction as they collide with each other under the high heat of the wok. And this chemical reaction is what we commonly call WOK. So compared to blanching, this stir-frying method produces a very different result. With this method, no matter how long you cook it, the vegetables won't turn yellow or black. If you've learned this, go ahead and share it with any chefs or friends in the restaurant business around you. They'll be grateful to you for life. If you enjoy watching me cook, remember to like, comment, and share. Thank you for your support.